how to replace the A-pillar trim in your Cadillac CTS. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. All right, to remove the A-pillar, the first thing I'm going to do is use a plastic pry tool to pull it away from the body. The next thing you need to do is release this rubber clip from the A-pillar, and then you should be able to pull it out. Push down, slide it up and out. So with the top loose and the rubber clip released, just wiggle it and pull it up and out. Just like that. So here's 2 pins that hold it in, and then at the top, this is where that rubber clip went. And installation is the reverse of the removal process. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.